Hi guys. Sorry. Hi guys, magluto tayo ng sweet and sour pork. Ito na yung sauce. Ilagay natin yung pork. Ayan. I-mix. Ito na guys, na-mix na natin. Yan siya. Ready to serve na. Thank you for watching.